Good afternoon, this is Paul Reiber coming to you from Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. We're taking a look at a fresh trade-in we just took in 2011 Toyota Sienna SE. This is a sporty model with really cool wheels, sunroof, leatherette type of interior. Not leather, but it's kind of a cross. I'll show you here shortly. Manual, Freedom Motors, brand new converted wheelchair conversion, brand new refurbished floor, bucket seats, power sunroof. This is super sporty, really cool. Tinted windows. The windshield's even tinted. The windshield is tinted as well. Tinted power sunroof, very clean interior. See, it's not leather per se, it's kind of a cloth leatherette combination. It's got a backup camera. It's an itty bitty one, but it's got a backup camera. Pops up right there. Bucket seats. Now there's plenty of room here too. It's very wide between these seats, so you got plenty of room for a bigger chair. Rear conditioning. This is just one of many vehicles we have in stock here. This is a 2011, 89,000 miles, Sporty SE model. Got the new insignia, the new logo here for Freedom Motors, FMI. Beautiful. Brand spanking new floor, just refurbished the floor. It's all brand new inside. If you're in the market for a wheelchair accessible vehicle, this is a gorgeous one in pristine condition. I'm not sure of the pricing. I have to check with the pricing of the sales staff, but this is, I'm sure, one of the lower ones. It's 2011. Most of the vehicles we have in stock are 16s, 17s, and 18s, so this is going to be in the lower price range. We have vehicles in stock ranging from $20,000 all the way up to $80,000, looking at Suburbans and Silverados and Yukons. If you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicles we might have in stock, give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. It's Freedom Motors USA, Battle Creek, Michigan. You can check out our website as well, freedommotors.com. Please click the subscribe button on the YouTube page and give us a call with any questions, 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.